I got my swag back, nigga. Look it. Ah! It's your boy. Zone out. Iceberg Slim. Picture this, I'm one of the illest lyricists, but I don't get the credit I deserve, which is ridiculous. Articulate, meticulous, so tell me what the issue is. Maybe my intelligence has just become irrelevant. Maybe I should use words like bat and rat and spit nursery rhymes like the cat in the hat. And maybe they will say, holy crap, he can rap, and give me trophies and some plaques that say best rapper on the back. This is skill, how I think of lyrics so ill. How I can start with a little topic and it builds into something every last one of you niggas can feel. It's only fair to be honest with them, there's no competition. Or maybe I should start rapping in pidgin, cause I didn't get the memo, clearly there's something I'm missing. But listen, I'm just speaking my mind, no bars. They told me if I sing that I would go very far. Had me thinking how close-minded we are. If there's only one sound to show how talented we are. So far they prefer bars below subpar. So when I go hard it's like I'm going against the odds. Over the top punchlines, reaching for the stars. By the time y'all niggas get it, I'm on a visit to Mars. Where's Iceberg Slim? He was the coldest cat. Get your swag back, daddy, where your focus at? I got my swag back, nigga. Look it. Well, I lost it, Hove, but I'm back on track. So please tell them that the kid with the raps is back. They had the crown for a minute, time to snatch it back. And y'all can keep y'all opinions, cause I'm rapping facts. Put the arms to your chest like a cabbage patch. It's a standing ovation, I'm clapping back. To beat me, you need jazz, in fact. They cannot beat me, nigga, cause I'm Michael Jackson back. And if you give me a beat, I will off that. From the top, I don't need to record that. Hear the shit that these niggas are spitting, they thinking they killing, a nigga just fall back. This the shit that they call rap. Nothing fictitious, it's all facts. How many niggas will I have to finish before I can get the award back? Best international, that was an avenue, but I don't think to exploit that. I took a vacation from my occupation, but now you can tell them the boy's back. Now you can tell them I got this. Fly like I live in the cockpit. All this money can't fit in our pockets, so we had to make a deposit. And niggas asked if I still rap. Even those jokes, it was still facts. Had to really sit down and think back like, damn motherfucker, where you been at? Okay, children, your playtime is over. Iceberg is here, it's about to get colder. It's your boy Iceberg. Go! Haven't reached my pinnacle, but I'm getting closer. Looking at my haters in their eyes like I told ya. It's about to be a massacre. Let a nigga try me, tryouts, triangular. It's showtime, let the city watch. I'll Millie rock on any block. I'll Diddy bop on Biggie's block. Drinking peach Ciroc on 50's block. Bang, bang.
Isha, where you at, Mumba? I come and I pull in a Rolls Royce. I'm getting all of the shows, hun. I come and I kill it, then go home. Now them they holla me. At the end time you place them, they got at me. I be smoking the hell out of cannabis. If you get to my high, you can never breathe. You can never be. It is only me with the anatomy. I be riding the game with no batteries. I am legally the only one that can kill it.